Yo tout le monde, c'est Saigon. Hello! On est à Ho-Chi-Minh-Ville. Pour notre première journée, il fait
37 degrés.
Et trop beau. Grand soleil. Un mois pile.
Dans 31 jours, on a Vix. Soyez là.
Ok, on va où, Gogo?
Non, on va vers le fleuve, un peu se balader en ville.
Allez, ça part. Suivez-la.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of.
Alors, est-ce qu'on a passé une bonne journée?
Oui.
Voilà, pour économiser, on va acheter du riz local, au marché local, pour nous cuisiner nous-mêmes. Allez, on va marcher.
Sense of time, I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. And we will sleep by the ocean. Our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
Comment c'est?
La street food, c'est la base.
Yes.
You've been trying to get your words inside my head, and when you got frustrated, you manipulated what I flying over the cities at night, and you've been watching every move since I left your side. Since I left your side. You let your hair blow into smithereens.
Voilà.
Pour tout ce que vous avez fait. Moi, c'est pas beaucoup. Moi, je vraiment. Voilà, merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Parce que c'était vraiment.